Did you know that mental health is one of the biggest issue that is facing mankind today? Probably the problem has become worse because of the ongoing pandemic as well. About 40% of people in Europe, for example, a Lancet medical study recently pointed out that 40% of people in Europe suffer from some mental health condition, depression, or any one of those. Even in India and many other countries, mental health is a huge issue. And when we talk of mental health, there's an omnibus category. Yes, there are many issues, but the core of it seems to be two aspects. One is stress, and second is potential. Stress, all of us get impacted with stress. At home, let's say our children are getting late for school, or my husband shouts at me, or my wife shouts at husband. It creates a big furor and brings up the stress levels in the entire family. Interesting thing to note is different people react differently to stress. The trigger may be the same, but the reaction is different. Why is that so? The underlying cause, the factors inside us are probably of much more import than the external factors. For example, if I am a person of low self-confidence, or if I am short-tempered, a small trigger may trigger a spasm of anger inside me, and that may cause many other downstream problems. So, though the trigger could be the same, the underlying mechanism, the root cause could be different. That needs to be addressed if you're going to address the stressor. Yes, you can do yoga, you can do meditation, they help, but then it's like you're winding a spring and they may slightly unwind it. What if it goes to a point where it just breaks? Beyond a point, it can't be unwound. Stress is a major cause for mental health issues. Another major cause which we probably do not recognize is potential. Boredom afflicts most of our kids and adults. Boredom is also stress. Boredom leads to mental health issues. And what is boredom? What are those causes? One of the significant cause of boredom and other aspects of mental health is potential. How much of your potential are you expressing? If I am a very talented person and I express only 5%, 10% of that potential, I am likely to undergo many mental health conditions. So the underlying aspect seems to be bringing out my talents, my potential. Unfortunately, many a times talents and potentials lie beyond our comfort zone. I'm good at cricket, I'll play cricket. I'm good at music, I'll play music. What if I'm good at writing? What if I feel I'm not good at English and therefore don't exercise that skill? Bringing out your innate potential, multidimensional aspect of a human being is also very important. Ashwasan Science is here to address these two issues at the root cause. Our varied services like zero frequency service, or life force healing, or individual mentoring, transformative counseling services, a myriad of services addresses these problems at the root cause level. If you want to know more, please visit our website ashwasan.com, or visit our Facebook or YouTube's to get to know more. Get home to yourself.